To eject SIM tray on OPPO Reno 15, first we're gonna take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. Of course, over here on the SIM tray we have this SIM tray hole, and we need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. In my case I have a slightly different eject tool, but it still has the same functionality, of course. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert the eject tool into this little hole over here where we have the SIM tray. And you should not mistaken it with the microphone over here, because you can damage the microphone by accident. And we're gonna push it inside the phone until the SIM tray pops out. Now it's gonna pop out just slightly, so afterwards you want to use fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove it from the phone. Alright, there we go. This is how the SIM tray looks like. So as you can see over here we have, let me try to get the focus, we have SIM card slot number 1. And then on the reverse side, we have SIM slot number 2. So we can use 2 SIM cards at the same time. And this is what we're gonna do. So first, let me insert the first card. Of course, we need to match the shape of the slot, so keep that in mind. And then just put it into the slot and make sure that it is fully in. Remember that SIM cards should not stick out of the slots on the SIM tray. There we go. And once you have your SIM cards mounted and installed into the SIM tray, then we can put the SIM tray back into the phone and just slide it all the way in to the phone, and make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out as well. It should go all the way in. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.